Number 1. For sale is a 1978 Chevrolet Corvette, the special 25th Anniversary Edition. This car is located in Middleburg, New York, and is available for $14,000 or best offer. Pop the hood and you'll find a 350 cubic inch engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, offering a direct and engaging driving experience. With 112,152 miles on the odometer, this Corvette has proven its reliability on the road. The exterior rocks a striking burgundy finish, which complements the classic black interior. It's a fantastic driver and in tip-top shape. This Corvette, with its stick shift and robust 350 engine, is ready for its next owner to hit the road and enjoy.
If you're finding value in what we're sharing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more great content. Thank you.
Number 2. Step into the world of vintage automotive passion with this 1929 Ford Shea Model A Roadster, ready for its next cruise in Streetsboro, Ohio. This car is a fiberglass reproduction built by Shea and officially licensed by Ford. It's available for $13,000. The car shows 5,300 miles on the odometer and is in very good condition and hasn't been restored. Under the hood is a 4-cylinder engine with a 2.3-liter displacement paired with an automatic transmission, making it easy to drive. The car features wire wheels with classic white wall tires. Interestingly, while the design mimics the 1929 model, this particular vehicle is titled as a 1980 model. The price for this Ford Shea Roadster is firm, ensuring a straightforward transaction. Number 3. Discover the charm of history with this 1971 Lincoln Continental Mark III Coupe located in Columbus, Ohio. This car was displayed at the Bench/Rose dealership in Dayton in 1971 and has since remained with one family for over 30 years, never seeing rain. Its body is still solid. This Lincoln, with an automatic transmission and 116,000 miles on the odometer, features a green exterior and a matching green interior. According to the owner, the interior has only been used 3 times. Recently installed bolt-on engine parts have about 5 miles on them, and the suspension features coilovers, reinforced sway bars, and heavy-duty lower control arms. The exhaust system is equipped with an H-pipe, no mufflers. However, the engine needs attention. A valve is burnt and a piston is damaged. If you're willing to tackle this by dropping in, say, a 429 or 460 engine with the existing bolt-on parts, you'll have a very cool street machine. This Lincoln Continental Mark III is offered in Columbus, Ohio for $2,800 with the 17-inch wheels shown in the photos. If you bring your own wheels, the price is $2,600. The owner is not considering trades for motorcycles or personal watercraft. Number 4. Step into the world of vintage automotive passion with this 1964 Chevrolet Corvair convertible, located in Watertown, Connecticut, and selling for $3,000. This 1964 convertible starts, runs, and even stops, which ain't bad for starters. With 73,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission, it's a jumping-off point for a new project. The body and interior are both black. The top is in good shape. As for rust, there's very little on the body. It has a gas heater inside, and all the lights on the car work properly, which is important for nighttime driving. However, there's a catch. The rear window is damaged. Despite this, the car is a solid candidate for restoration, offering a new owner the chance to put in some sweat equity. The current owner simply has other projects and doesn't have the time or space for this Chevy, hence the attractive price tag. Number 5. Here's your chance to own a 1973 Buick LeSabre convertible, ready for its next chapter. This red and black convertible is for sale in Edison, New Jersey, priced at $9,000. Under the hood, you'll find the original 455 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The vehicle has 104,000 miles on the odometer, but it still fires right up and drives strong. The body and undercarriage remain remarkably solid, showing it's been well cared for. The power top works flawlessly, allowing you to quickly drop the top and enjoy open-air cruising. The red exterior and black interior are in good shape, both inside and out. This makes it ready for car shows or simply for enjoyable Sunday drives. For $9,000, this Buick LeSabre offers the chance to get behind the wheel of a classic American convertible that has retained its original characteristics and is ready to roll without any major mechanical headaches. Number 6. Take a step back in time with this 1965 Lincoln Continental, a four-door sedan from Bristol, Pennsylvania. This black car with a red interior, equipped with a 430 engine and an automatic transmission, has 75,000 miles on it. It starts, runs, and stops, and has a clean title. The asking price is $10,000. Even though this Continental has been sitting outside for over 20 years, its body is overall very solid. There's some rust from an old restoration, but it has a new gas tank installed. Also included is a replacement driver's side rear door. The owner is open to selling or trading, primarily for mini trucks or full-size pickups with air suspension, similar to their past deals involving Suburbans. Of course, there are a few items that could use some TLC. The fuel pump works, but it has a small leak and needs a rebuild. The control arm bushings also need to be replaced. Once these items are taken care of, you'll have a reliable car ready for daily driving. For $10,000, this Lincoln Continental offers a solid foundation for a classic with room for improvement. Number 7. Discover the charm of history. Today in Topsham, Maine, we have a 1971 Ford Ranchero available for $13,700. This particular coupe utility stands out with its light green body and black interior, giving off serious early 70s vibes. Under the hood is a 351 Windsor engine paired with an automatic transmission. Worth mentioning, this car originally came without air conditioning. What truly sets this Ranchero apart is its reported condition. It's described as a true barn find, completely free of rust and bondo, and has never had any bodywork done. Even the undercarriage shows no signs of corrosion. The odometer reads 43,000 miles, though the previous owner couldn't vouch for its accuracy, which is par for the course with cars this old. On the road, this light truck holds its own, offering a true 1970s driving experience. For serious buyers, the seller is looking for cash only, and no trades will be considered. Number 8. Here's a rare find for classic car enthusiasts. Up for grabs is a 1953 Oldsmobile 88 out of Dearborn, Michigan, priced at $15,000. This Oldsmobile Rocket 88 is all original, with a mere 53,000 miles on the odometer, and boasts an automatic transmission. Its history is quite remarkable. It's been with a single owner since 1978, who picked it up from the original owner. For all these years, this ride has been carefully garaged and kept in tip-top shape. The exterior sports a rich burgundy, complemented by a green interior. Thanks to seat covers that have been on it since day one, the original interior is in mint condition. This beauty is now completely road-ready. Just turn the key and hit the road. All systems work just like they're supposed to. It's a testament to the care and attention that this 1953 Oldsmobile has maintained its originality and pristine condition. Number 9. This is your chance to own a piece of classic automotive history. Let's check out a 1967 Mercedes-Benz 250S located in Canton, Connecticut and priced at $25,000. It's an all-original car with only 37,839 original miles on the odometer. You'd be the third owner, and it comes with complete documentation for all service records and ownership history. Inside, you'll find an immaculate brown interior with classic wood trim accents, complementing the power windows. Under the hood is an inline-six engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. The tires, by the way, were installed just 2 years ago and have less than 200 miles on them. So this 250S is ready for new adventures. It boasts a great combination of preserved condition, low mileage, and a complete history. Number 10. Step into a piece of automotive history with this 1972 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2-door available in High Point, North Carolina. This eye-catching bright yellow Stingray with a black interior can be yours for $15,000. Under the hood is a new 383 stroker crate motor with a performance cam paired with a new 4-speed muslce close ratio manual transmission. The car also boasts a new exhaust system and headers, along with brand new exterior chrome. The body features factory T-tops and a rare removable rear window. Inside, you'll find power windows, which were a $49 option. Mileage currently stands at 2,000 miles. This Corvette is in excellent shape for its 53 years, with no body damage. Its paint is rated a 7 out of 10. The car is fully serviced with new T/A radials that have less than 100 miles on them and a fresh battery. The headlight hydraulics were recently replaced. The car has current registration and inspection and is ready for new adventures. It's important to note that it lacks air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes. The first $15,000 takes it home with title in hand, and no trades will be considered. Number 11. This classic 1965 Ford Mustang convertible located in Elmont, New York is available for $25,000. With 150,000 miles on the odometer, this cherished car embodies a true piece of automotive history and has been well cared for over the years. Under the hood, you'll find a 289 V8 engine, which was rebuilt 7 years ago. Power is delivered through an automatic transmission, ensuring an easy drive. The car proudly retains 70% of its original parts and has been garage kept, which helped preserve its off-white exterior and classic black interior. It comes with a clean title, starts right up, drives well, and is equipped with power steering for easier maneuvering. It's important to note that despite having power steering, this Mustang does not have power brakes, consistent with many original 1965 models. This car is known for turning heads at car shows and on the street, offering a driving experience rooted in the 1960s. It's a great option for collectors, classic car enthusiasts, or anyone looking for a special weekend cruiser. Number 12. In Charleston, West Virginia, a 1957 Cadillac Coupe DeVille is listed for sale at $32,000. Under the hood is its original 365 cubic inch engine, which starts right up and runs smoothly. Power steering and power brakes ensure a comfortable ride. This Caddy has 71,000 original miles on the odometer and is incredibly solid underneath, being 100% complete. By the way, the automatic transmission was recently overhauled and shifts like new, providing excellent performance. All the power windows work flawlessly, as if they just rolled off the assembly line. The same goes for the power seat and even the antenna. Everything functions perfectly. The exterior is finished in ivory. The interior, while showing its age, retains the special charm of a well-maintained vehicle that has been cherished its entire long life. This Caddy runs and drives great, which is quite an accomplishment for its age. The Charleston, West Virginia owner is primarily looking for a cash sale, but is open to considering trades for classic cars manufactured prior to 1972. Trades with cash on his end are also possible. Number 13. Up for grabs is a 1970 Plymouth Satellite located in Broad Brook, Connecticut, with an asking price of $20,000. This car, sporting GTX badging, is a real head-turner with its matching green paint job and interior. It's an automatic, showing just 672 miles on the odometer, mileage that's mostly from its recent, extensive overhaul. Under the hood, you'll find a freshly built 440 cubic inch engine, bored 60 thousandths over. This powerful motor is paired with a rebuilt 727 automatic transmission, now featuring Kevlar clutches and a line lock. Both the engine and transmission have accumulated less than 1,000 miles since their complete overhaul, making them practically brand spanking new and ready to roll. The upgrades don't stop there. The car rides on a robust 8 3/4 inch rear axle equipped with an Eaton locker and a 4.11 gear ratio. It benefits from fresh rear springs, axles, and shocks, complemented by a new front-end suspension featuring disc brakes up front for serious stopping power. Fresh tires ensure it sticks to the pavement, and the exhaust dumps scream performance potential. With a bunch of spare parts included, this Plymouth Satellite is ready to hit the streets or light up car shows right away. The owner is holding firm on the $20,000 price tag and is not considering trades. Number 14. Today, we have a sweet find. A 1964 Ford Fairlane from Pulaski, Virginia, offered at $20,000. This car has 120,000 miles on the odometer. This 1964 Fairlane is a truly special project, having been converted from a 4-door wagon into a 2-door. This custom modification makes it a rare bird, as 2-door versions simply were not factory built in 1964. The car sports a fresh, 2-tone silver paint job that looks sharp with plenty of chrome. All the glass and weather stripping are new, as is the set of wheels and tires. The interior is black. Under the hood is a 460 cubic inch engine with plenty of billet parts, paired with a C6 automatic transmission. Rounding out the package are a Flowmaster exhaust system and an aluminum radiator. Comfort and modern touches include power windows and electric door poppers. The owner believes this Ford has the potential to be a standout show car. There is one catch. The engine, which sat over the winter, has a stuck hydraulic lifter. It is making some noise and will need to be replaced. Even with that, the price has already been knocked down to $20,000. Number 15. Here's a classic. Check out the 1970 Chevrolet Impala Limited, located in Lewisberry, Pennsylvania. This car, equipped with an automatic transmission, has only 64,000 miles on the odometer, which is pretty low for a car of its age. It's being offered for $16,000. When you check it out, you'll see a yellow exterior that goes great with the green interior. According to the seller, the original paint job, interior, and drivetrain are all in near-perfect condition. This keeps the look and mechanics just as they were back in '70. Good news, the price on this Impala has already come down, signaling the seller is ready to make a quick deal. And if you've got something interesting, the seller is also open to a trade for an excavator or a backhoe of equal value. Number 16. For the classic car enthusiast, we present a 1966 Ford Mustang from Baltimore, Maryland. This coupe is painted Guardsman Blue, complemented by white stripes, and features a red interior. It's priced at $24,900. Under the hood of this Mustang is a new 302 crate engine. New disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, and a new exhaust system shapes its sound, which, by the way, is quite loud. Other updates include a new fuel tank, battery, and steering wheel. The bodywork and paint are in excellent condition, and the car has been garaged in the Fells Point area. This Mustang has 82,500 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a 3-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a comfortable drive. The combination of classic looks and fresh components makes this 1966 Ford Mustang ready to hit the road. Number 17. Discover your next restoration project with this 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza, located in Durham, North Carolina, and offered for $9,500. This green Corvair with an ivory interior spent most of its life in Arizona before arriving here last year. The odometer reads 123,456 miles, and it's powered by a manual transmission. The owner drives the car regularly and notes it starts right up and drives well, running without a hitch. The braking system has been overhauled and upgraded to a dual master cylinder. The suspension and fuel system have also been completely refreshed, ensuring dependable performance. The engine was pulled to address an oil leak around the bell housing, and the soft top was replaced 5 years ago. However, it's worth noting that the paint job is 40 years old and has numerous imperfections visible to the naked eye. Nevertheless, the car is ready for daily drives and is a blast to drive. Number 18. Discover the charm of history with this 1974 Ford Maverick, located in Monroe, Michigan, and listed for $3,000. Underneath its deep blue paint lies a 200 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. This Ford Maverick, showing 34,000 miles, comes with a clean title and, importantly, it drives, steers, and stops. It recently received new wheel cylinders, brake lines, and hoses, as well as a new fuel line. Plus, the oil and filter are fresh, indicating basic maintenance has been performed. However, it's not road-ready to drive home. It needs new tires and an exhaust system repair. And, of course, a general inspection is recommended, as the car hasn't been on the road for several years. So, bring a trailer and cash. The $3,000 price is negotiable or best offer, and this deal is first come, first served, no holds.
It's cold.
Number 19. Check out this 1963 Oldsmobile 88 sedan, currently located in Hicksville, New York. This car is listed for $7,900. It's been a one-owner car its entire life, owned by a grandfather, which speaks to the meticulous care it's received over the years. The exterior boasts a golden finish, with a matching gold interior for a truly coordinated look. This Oldsmobile 88 has 75,000 miles on the odometer. Under the hood, you'll find a rebuilt engine, and the seller notes it runs flawlessly, like a top. The automatic transmission ensures a smooth ride, making every drive a pleasure. This Oldsmobile 88 sedan is a solid option for folks who value its single-owner pedigree and a strong-running engine. The seller emphasizes no trades. Number 20. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. Presenting a 1968 Ford LTD from Midway, Pennsylvania. Under the hood, you'll find a 390 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor, paired with an automatic transmission. What's more, this car has only 75,000 original miles and drives down the road strong. The body on this LTD is solid, which is a big plus. For a comfortable ride, it's equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes and power steering. Add to that aftermarket wheels and tires and a clean title, and you've got a solid platform. The exterior is painted black, while the interior is done up in brown tones. One thing to note, this car needs a paint job to truly shine. But at a price of $3,000, negotiable, it looks like a fantastic start for a project. The owner will also consider trades, especially for other classic Fords, with a preference for a first-generation Mustang from 1964 and a half to 1973, or a truck. Number 21. Step into a piece of automotive history with this 1961 Chevrolet Corvair Monza 900 Coupe. Located in Gillette, New Jersey, this particular model has 97,000 miles on the clock and is ready for new adventures. For a car that's 63 years young, it's doing great. Starts right up, drives solid, handles well, and stops true, making it perfectly timed for some spring adventures. Under the hood of this golden beauty is a 2.7-liter flat-six engine mated to a 2-speed Power Glide automatic transmission. The body and interior, also finished in gold, have been restored in the last 10 years. Recent updates include a new fuel pump, alternator, belt, automatic transmission pump and seal, and a new battery. Throw in excellent tires on American racing wheels and you've got a car its current owner still drives a couple of times a week. Of course, a car of this age comes with its own quirks. For instance, it weeps a little engine oil like most Corvairs do. We're talking just 3 drops after a 45-minute drive, so it's more of a badge of honor than a major problem. The new battery, though kept on a tender, is included. Beyond a routine warm-up, this Corvair needs nothing but a new driver who can appreciate its mechanical heart. This Chevrolet Corvair is offered for $7,250 or best offer. It's important to note that interest is running high, and this is a first-come, first-served sale with no price drops down to $5,000 or $6,000. Number 22. Powered by a smooth-running 6-cylinder engine and featuring rear-wheel drive, it promises. Meet the 1974 Dodge Charger SE Sedan 4D, located in Lowell, Massachusetts. With 64,000 miles on the clock, this car is available for $22,000 and comes with a factory 400 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor, making it a solid choice for any driver. Under the hood, you'll find a 400 cubic inch V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor and matching numbers. It's mated to a 3-speed automatic TorqueFlite 727 transmission. The factory air conditioning has been upgraded to R124A refrigerant, and the cooling system boasts an upgraded 3-row aluminum radiator. This Charger spent most of its life down in Louisiana, so it's rust-free and was even featured at a Mecum auction. The body was repainted a few years back in its original red, and it's worth noting, the car presents beautifully from 10 feet away. The interior is all original, with a black dash and console contrasting with the white headliner, door panels, and seats. For $22,000, this Dodge Charger offers a blend of classic style and reliable mechanicals, and is ready to hit the road with a documented history and a host of useful upgrades. Number 23. Step into the world of vintage automotive passion and let's check out this 1950 Oldsmobile Futuramic 88, located in Westchester, Pennsylvania, and offered for $19,500. This sedan underwent a full body-off restoration 10 years ago and has only covered 7,000 miles since. The car's body is painted crest blue and the interior is done in impeccable period-correct beige fabric. The chrome and stainless steel gleam complementing the exterior. All interior details are true to the original. Under the hood resides a fully rebuilt Rocket 88 V8 engine, displacing 303 cubic inches and delivering 135 horsepower, paired with a hydromatic transmission. The car is equipped with radial tires featuring wide white walls. This Oldsmobile is fully serviced, runs strong, and is ready for both show and go. Number 24. Here's your chance to own a 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza convertible available in New Brighton, Pennsylvania. This red convertible with a black interior is a real head-turner and a blast on the road, especially for cruises to car shows. It's offered for $7,900. Under the hood is a 95 horsepower engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. Over the past 4 years, a fair amount of time and money has been invested into this Monza, including new tires. The interior is in great shape, and the car's exterior looks good. Of course, it does have its quirks. The car needs some work, and while its appearance is pleasing, it's not perfect. Also, the engine burns oil, and the stated mileage of 19,020 miles is unverified. However, it comes with a generous amount of extra spare parts. This Corvair is being sold with a clean title, and the seller requests serious inquiries only. Number 25. Up for sale is a 1971 Chevrolet Corvette convertible two-door located in Chesapeake, Virginia, priced at $32,500. This Vetta turns heads with its champagne paint job, even though it was listed as silver in the description, and sports a brown interior. The odometer shows only 45,494 miles. Under the hood is a 350 engine, paired with an automatic transmission. For comfortable driving, the car comes equipped with power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. Recently, it's had new tires and a fresh battery installed, and all 4 calipers and brake pads were completely replaced all around. This car has only had 2 owners. The last one took care of the car for 26 years and kept the Vetta garaged the entire time. A beige soft top comes with the convertible. Considering the work done and its storage conditions, this 1971 Vetta is ready to hit the road. Number 26. This is your chance to acquire a classic symbol of luxury and comfort. Up for grabs is a 1985 Rolls-Royce Corniche, hailing from Falls Church, Virginia, and offered for $38,000. This white Rolls-Royce has 118,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. This car runs and drives great, having always been meticulously maintained, including oil changes every 3,000 miles. What's more, it's sporting new tires with less than 3,000 miles on them. Inside, all the bells and whistles are working perfectly. The power roof operates flawlessly, as do the power windows. In fact, all the car's systems are functioning properly, just as they should. That said, every classic car has its quirks. On this Rolls-Royce, the wood trim around the doors and dash shows some wear. However, given its overall reliability and the meticulous care it's received, it's a minor cosmetic issue. This classic luxury cruiser is available for $38,000 and the price is negotiable. Number 27. For the classic car enthusiast with a passion for history, here's a 1972 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed located in Pocomoke City, Maryland. This 1972 four-wheel drive pickup is being offered for $50,000, and the seller is only looking for serious buyers. This Chevrolet has undergone a full frame-off restoration. Since then, it has been consistently garaged, allowing it to remain in excellent condition. Under the hood, it features an automatic transmission, and the odometer reads 26,000 miles. The entire vehicle is finished in blue with a blue exterior and a blue interior. This creates a cohesive and distinctive look. This meticulously restored 1972 Chevrolet 1500 awaits those who appreciate meticulous details and dedicated care. Falcon, located in